Hello friends, wish you a very good day. Today we will discuss a new lesson, one clean sweep. The community park where Nihar and his friends used to play is in ruins. The boys take it upon themselves to revive the park. They approach the elders in their society. The entire community does their little bit altogether. They save the park, showing that they care and are socially responsible. It was the middle of the summer holidays. Nihar and his friends were on their way to the local playground for a game of cricket. As they walked along, talking and laughing, their nostrils were suddenly assailed by a horrible stench. Covering their noses, they started to walk faster to get away from the smell, but then their curiosity got the better of them. So here we are learning Nihar and his friends. They are going to playground for playing cricket. Then they could feel very bad smell from the playground. Where is it coming from, I wonder, said Peter, who was Nihar's best friend. They decided to investigate. A little down the road, the stench grew ever stronger, and they knew that they were not very far from the source. So they started searching for the stench. That's a very bad smell. To their right, they spotted a padlocked gate. The boys peered through the iron bars, and what they saw made them recoil. A truly ugly sight met their eyes. The gate barred entry to what had once been a community park. Only now it was just a huge mass of overgrown weeds and dried plants, while the wooden park benches were covered with dirt and faded, peeling paint. Even worse, people had started throwing their garbage over the walls. An accumulated mess had started to decompose and rot, thereby releasing the terrible stink. So, what is happening here? Actually, there is a small park. That park is not used by anybody now. It is already locked. A padlocked means the gate of the park is closed and nobody can enter into the park. And all were throwing over the wall all the garbage. So what is happening now? Even now, all the weeds and dried plants, while the wooden park benches were covered with dirt and faded, peeling paint. Then the people were accumulating the mess that had already started to decompose and rot, thereby releasing a terrible bad smell. So we have here one exercise. Do you have a favorite play area around your home? Is it well maintained? Yes. If you have a favorite play area, that may be a football ground, cricket ground, okay, any ground. So you can write down, yes, we have a favorite play area around my home or around our home. Is it well maintained? If it is well maintained, you can write down, it is well maintained. What a waste, thought Nihar, feeling really sad about what he had seen. He didn't quite understand why he was feeling this way. After all, the park was just a public property, so why should he care? If no one else did, in fact, all the boys were as affected by this as Nihar. That day, the game of cricket wasn't as much fun as it usually was. So, these students, these children, were planning to do something for removing all the garbage from the park. Then you have a task here. Why do you think Nihar and his friends felt so unhappy? Choose one from the following. You have here three options. You have to select one option, correct answer. Okay. They were irritated that the dumped garbage smelt so bad. They were irritated because there is a bad smell from the garbage. And the second option is they cared for the community and didn't like the idea of the park going to waste due to negligence. Due to negligence means failure to take proper care over something. Then third option is they were hungry and they made them grumpy. Okay. So what's right answer? If it is second one, we can tick. Then Mom, Nihar said, leaning across the kitchen table as his mother stirred something on the stove. Yes, son, his mother responded. Have you seen the community park on the way to our playground? He went on. You mean the one that has been neglected due to lack of municipality funds? His mother asked. Yes, she continued. I have heard that our local municipality agency doesn't have the budget to appoint caretakers for the park, so no one looks after it anymore. Nihar described what he and his friends had seen through the locked park gate. I didn't know it was that bad. What a pity, she said with a frown. Then here, write the names of the main municipality agency in your city that maintains parks and other public amenities. When Nihar met his friends the next morning, they all were still concerned about the park. Surely there must be something we can do, said Peter. What if we get our families, friends, and neighbors to all pitch in? Then surely we can get that park cleaned up. So they are discussing with friends and they are planning. They can call all the family members, cousins, all the friends for taking care of the park. Then everyone agreed that this was a great idea. But how would they get into the park? Harsh piped up that his dad knew someone in the municipality agency and that he could talk to his official and find out what could be done. So, pipe up meaning say something suddenly. So, here there is a boy. He is telling his father is having, he is very familiar with municipality agency members. So, his father can speak with the officials and they can open the park. Okay, they can clean the park and remove all the garbages from the park. The wheels of the project slowly started moving in the right direction. Harsh father spoke to the municipality official and got permission for the residents in the neighborhood to clean and revamp the park. The boys did their part to spread the word among the residents and got a wonderful response. They realized that everyone had apparently felt the same way about the park, but nobody knew what to do about it. All that had changed now. So Nihar and Peter and Harsh drew up a list of things they would need to clean up the park. Can you add to the list below all the items they would need? So for collecting garbage, they may need garbage bags and the garden rakes, okay, for cleaning, and some brooms they may need. So what are the things you feel they need? Some plastic buckets they need for collecting, okay, garbage. So what are things you feel they needed? Write down there in page number 12. Okay. So with all friends they are cleaning the park. Then Project Clean Sweep kicked off early one Saturday morning and people of all ages came from around the area to pitch in. Everyone contributed as much money as they could afford and the collection was used to buy cleaning tools and fresh paint. So these friends together, they called all the neighbors, family members, friends, and they together started cleaning the park. Then what is happening? Everyone contributed, each and everyone contributed as much money as they could afford. How much they can give, that much they afford, and the collection was used to buy, and with that money they bought cleaning tools and fresh paint. A local plant nursery offered about 50 saplings to be planted along the walkway. Some housewives who were unable to walk in the park did their bit by cooking and serving delicious refreshments to those who did manual work in the park. The communal feeling was strong and Nihar felt a sense of pride like never before. It wasn't long before the park started to look clean and neat again. The project volunteers had managed to get rid of all the garbage and had uprooted all the dead plants and weeds. Other volunteers planted saplings and repainted the park benches and the edges of the pathways. The pump house in the park was opened and all the plants received a good watering. By dusk on Sunday, everyone went home tired but extremely happy and satisfied. The park had been given a complete facelift and now looked clean and beautiful. It was as if someone had breathed new life into it. So, with the help of all other friends, these children they have cleaned the park. That the park was filled with garbage, all different types of waste, and it was producing very bad smell. They couldn't even walk through the park. Then they started cleaning very neatly. They have collected money with the help of the friends and relatives and the family members. And they bought what are things they needed for cleaning the park. They bought and they started cleaning. And there were many people. They produced many things. Even the housewife, they couldn't reach in the park. They contributed some food. They made food in the family, in the kitchen. Then they contributed and then they served for the children who were doing different types of manual works. So the same way they have cleaned and the new park got, the old park got a new life. And there are two tasks for you for completion. If you were volunteering for project clean sweep and they have given, this children has given a name for this project, cleaning project. What is the name? Clean sweep. How would you have contributed your time and effort if you were volunteering, if you were a member in this project? How would you have contributed your time and effort for the cleaning? Okay, sometimes you may be providing, but with the help of your parents, you may be providing some money, or with the help of your residential association, you may be giving some manual help. Okay, so what are things you will do as a member in this group? You have to write down there. If you ever become a part of a community project like the one Nihar and his friends initiated, name three issues you would want to work on. Okay, if you ever become a part of a community project like the one Nihar and his friends initiated for cleaning park, so you can write down, you can assume any three issues that you might have confronted, okay, in this project. Maybe the any neighbors, they may be telling there are so many garbage, so many waste, so where they have to put the waste, they have to remove from the park, and where they have to the clean and remove the waste. Is there any place for keeping the waste? That may be one issue they have to confront. The same way, the money issue will be there. They need more money to buy the things in the park. Right? So, any three issues that might are confronted by the children, you can write down in your textbook. Okay, I hope that you have understood very well the lesson. If you're having any doubts, you can call me. Okay, thank you.